When was the last time you went shopping online? Amazon, Google, sound familiar? It feels like I'm on these sites almost daily. Well, guess what? Real estate is really no different. When you are selling your home, placing a yard sign in the front lawn or putting it in the MLS is really pretty basic. Are you missing out on the social media platforms with the most amount of traffic? I'm Beverly Barnett with Compass Real Estate. What you really need is maximized exposure to get your home in front of the most potential buyers. 95% of buyers search online for their homes, and 79% use social media to search, while spending an average of 2.5 hours daily on social media sites. Yet, only 16% of agents use social media in their marketing strategy, and only 1% are doing it correctly. As a real estate professional, I want to offer more and better. So I came up with a disruptive, strategic digital marketing plan that places your home in front of thousands of potential buyers weekly through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You are probably looking at this video as a result of those efforts. Now, if you'd like to hear more about how I use the tools of the Fortune 500 companies to place your home in front of more buyers, give me a call. Go to beverlybarnett.com for my contact information or direct message me here. I love helping clients capitalize on their investment and achieve their real estate goals and dreams.